The world of compact action cameras is evolving faster than ever, and DJI is once again stepping up to redefine what a tiny camera can do. Today, we're talking about the DJI Osmo Nano, a device so small it practically disappears in your pocket. Yet it packs a punch strong enough to compete with heavyweights like GoPro Hero 13, Insta360 GO Ultra, and even some mirrorless hybrid cameras when it comes to portability and versatility. This isn't just another cute gadget. It's DJI's attempt to merge portability with pro-grade features, giving content creators, vloggers, athletes, and everyday users a camera that's ridiculously small, but powerful enough to handle demanding shooting scenarios. So, let's go deep into what makes the Osmo Nano special. Explore its features, break down the competition, and see whether this little beast deserves a spot in your everyday carry. A new chapter in DJI's camera journey. Before diving into the Nano's specs, it's worth taking a quick step back to understand where it fits into DJI's ecosystem. DJI has long been recognized for drones like the Phantom, Mavic, and Mini series, but their Osmo line has been all about ground-level stabilization and portable filming. The Osmo Pocket gave creators a key gimbal-stabilized mini camera. The Osmo Action series went head-to-head with GoPro. The Osmo Nano now takes a completely different direction, going smaller, lighter, and modular. It's designed less like a rugged cube and more like a wearable, snap-on, creator-friendly gadget, something you'd clip onto your shirt, hat, or mount on your bike without thinking twice. Think of it as DJI's answer to the Insta360 GO line, but with some very big upgrades. Design, modular, pocketable, creator-centric, the DJI Osmo Nano is all about convenience. It's smaller than a stick of gum, light enough to carry all day, and modular thanks to its magnetic dock system. Magnetic mounting. Just snap it on your shirt, helmet, or hat, and it stays put. No bulky mounts, no fuss. Dock combo. The Nano comes with a multifunctional dock that doubles as a charger, file transfer station, and even a storage expansion unit. OLED touchscreen. Despite its small size, it still has a bright mini display for framing shots, reviewing footage, and changing modes. Accessories. Out of the box. You get a hat clip, magnetic lanyard, protective case, and dual-direction ball joint adapter for flexible mounting. This makes the Nano not just a small camera, but a portable creative toolkit. The sensor? Big things in a small package. The real magic here is the 1.3-inch sensor. For a camera this size, that's massive. Dynamic range. DJI claims around 13.5 stops, which rivals some mirrorless cameras and absolutely dominates other tiny cams. Low light performance, larger sensor, better nighttime shots, less grain, more detail. Perfect for evening vlogs, concerts, or low-lit travel environments. Photo quality. While DJI hasn't officially confirmed megapixels, RAW plus JPEG support ensures flexibility. Expect sharper stills compared to competitors. Compare this to Insta360 GO Ultra, slightly bigger sensor, but relies heavily on AI-based HDR instead of pure sensor strength. GoPro Hero 13 uses a smaller stacked sensor but excels in software optimization. Smartphones. Even the iPhone 16 Pro Max struggles in low light without computational tricks, whereas Nano aims for hardware-driven clarity. Video capabilities. Small camera. Huge ambitions. This is where the Osmo Nano really flexes. K at 120 FPS. Most tiny cams max out at 4K 60 FPS. The Nano doubles that, giving creators cinematic slow motion without needing a bulky rig. Bitrate. 120 mm/POS ensures crisp detail while using HEVC compression to keep file sizes manageable. Aperture and FOV f2.8 aperture with a 143-degree field of view, wide enough for action, but not so wide that everything looks warped. Super night mode. DJI uses advanced noise reduction to make low-light footage usable without excessive grain. If these specs hold up in real-world use, the Osmo Nano could set a new benchmark for pocket action cams. Stabilization. Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization makes or breaks an action cam, and DJI is bringing its proven Rocksteady 3.0 system to the Nano Horizon Lock. Keeps footage perfectly level even if you tilt or roll the camera. Limitations. Full stabilization works up to 1080p 60. At higher frame rates like 4K 120, stabilization is reduced. Practical use. For biking, skiing, skateboarding, or casual handheld use. This ensures buttery smooth results. This isn't just about stabilization, it's about confidence in every shot. Battery and storage, clever. Dock system battery life is one of the trickiest parts of ultra-compact cameras. But DJI came up with a smart modular solution. Onboard battery, 530 mAh. Dock battery, adds 1,300 mAh, extending life up to 200 minutes. Fast charging, USB-C with PD and USB 3.1 speeds. Storage. Options, 64 GB or 128 GB internal plus micro SD expansion via dock. This means you can record for hours, transfer footage quickly, and avoid constant card swapping. Audio, small size. Big flexibility, good video needs good audio. And DJI delivers dual built-in mics, stereo recording by default. Wireless support. You can connect two transmitters directly, recording dual audio sources without extra receivers. Perfect for vlogging, interview setups, travel diaries, or quick commentary are all covered. This alone makes the Nano a content creator's dream camera. Connectivity. Fast and modern, the Nano isn't just about recording, it's about sharing. Wi-Fi 6.0 and Bluetooth 5.1. Fast, stable connections to the DJI Mimo app dock with Bluetooth 5.4. Extends range, improves Sync.x-FAT support, handles large video files without splitting them, add in gesture controls, one-tap editing, and live previews. And you've got a camera that's creator-ready from capture to upload. Durability. Built for adventures, the Osmo Nano may be tiny, but it's not fragile. Waterproof up to 10 mm. Perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or rainy hikes. Dock adds splash resistance, protection when mounted or charging. Rugged design. DJI knows creators need gear that survives daily abuse. Creative features. More than just a camera, what sets DJI apart is the ecosystem of tools and effects. Pre-recording. Captures up to 5 minutes before you hit record. Gesture controls. Start-stop recording hands-free. Glamour effects 2.0. Filters and beautification tools for social creators. Live photos, time-lapse, hyperlapse, all included. Apple Watch, Garmin Sync. Overlay sports metrics directly on your videos. This transforms the Nano from a simple camera into a mini production suite. Price and release date, September 23, 2025. Pricing, $369, 64 GB. $399, 128 GB. That positions it right in line with Insta360 GO Ultra. Slightly cheaper than GoPro Hero 13, and much more accessible than traditional mirrorless gear. DJI Osmo Nano versus the competition to really understand the Nano's potential. Let's compare it. Insta360 GO Ultra. Similar size, great AI features, but Nano beats it in frame rates, stabilization, and pro audio options. GoPro Hero 13. More rugged and versatile, but much bigger. The Nano wins on portability and modular design. Smartphones. Great for casual content, but no stabilization, waterproofing, or pre-recording at this level. Basically, the Osmo Nano fills a unique gap. It's for creators who want something small, wearable, and capable, without compromising too much on image quality. Final verdict, small camera, giant potential. The DJI Osmo Nano is shaping up to be one of the most exciting launches of 2025. It's not trying to replace your GoPro or mirrorless camera. Instead, it's aiming to complement them. A lightweight, quick grab, always ready tool for capturing moments that would otherwise slip away. Limited stabilization at higher frame rates, battery still small without dock, competes in a niche market for vloggers. Travelers, athletes, and creators, this could easily become the ultimate pocket action cam of 2025. If you want big performance in the smallest possible package, the Osmo Nano looks like it's going to deliver exactly that.